Peter the penguin slides on the ice. He sees one snowball, ooh, that's nice. He waddles around and gives a grin. Then he sees two fish jump in a bin. He spins around on the frozen ice. He jumps 3 times, then slides and soars. He dives below with a happy roar and grabs 4 shells on the ocean floor. Count with Peter, 1 to 10. Slide and waddle, then count again. With flippers out and a happy song, we count together all day long. He hops on top of a frozen log. 5 small puffins come hopping along. He twirls around and claps real quick, then spots 6 otters doing a water trick.
He spots on the snow 7 snow